Ever wonder how we make life and death decisions in just seconds? Like whether to fight, run, speak up, or stay silent? Whether you're a human, an animal, or an AI robot, we all follow the same four-step process to think fast and survive. Step 1. Perceive your environment. This is where it all begins. Every being, organic or artificial, starts with scanning for clues. The squirrel hears a twig snap. The human feels eyes on their back. The robot detects heat signatures through a wall. Now comes step 2. Your brain, or your processor, asks one simple question. Is this dangerous or worth it? Food is the reward, but death could be the price. Easy cash or a setup? High-value target, but high-risk entry. This step is instinctual, emotional. It's your gut, your training, your code, decoding the stakes. Step 3. Decide. The squirrel calculates the hawk's distance. The human steps back into the light. The robot runs simulations. Option A, too risky. Option B, crawl space. This is where logic meets instinct, and the best decisions balance both. Step 4. Act. All the perception, all the judgment, it means nothing without action. Action creates the outcome, and the outcome teaches the mind, or the machine, how to do better next time. Action creates the outcome, and the outcome teaches the mind, or the machine, how to do better next time. So whether you're flesh, fur, or fiber optics, you're alive because your brain or your code follows these 4 steps. Perceive the environment, sense danger versus reward. Decide between the two, act on the decision. And that's how we stay alive.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more health educational videos. Stay healthy and stay informed.